Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Mercedes EClass. So first of all, we go to settings, onto Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, you've got the easiest way is here, you've got Navi, radio, media and telephone. Alternatively, you can go to the home settings there and turn this, or even move that along like so till you get to telephone. Click telephone. There's no devices connected at the moment, so there's nobody in the car with a phone connected. So it goes straight to this menu, connect a device. So we select by clicking on there or just pressing on the top, and then start search. Click start search. It's looking for a phone. Taking its time, looking for a phone. And it's found my phone there. So we use the rotary control, like so. Just turn that till it's onto my phone, and then click. I prefer to use the rotary control rather than this touchpad at the top because I can never quite control it. The Bluetooth pairing request 955-414, 955-414 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro connected. Let's see if we can find Mercedes-Benz. There's two Mercedes-Benzes there, but that's the one there. Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected. So that's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth system in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. First of all, we go to music, decide what we're going to play. I'm going to turn that down like so. But if we just look at the bottom there, the silver triangle and the three silver circles, if I click on that, you'll see there it just says iPhone. So there's nothing actually for this to play through except the iPhone. So what we do, we go over to here and we can go to media, the media buttons there, or again, you can use this menu. It's a bit of a long-winded way. There's a home button there or a home button there. Click on the home button, and then we turn the rotary selector to media, select media. No memory card inserted. Well, it's not. We're not after playing a memory card. What we need is your Bluetooth. If I click over there like so, you've got devices. Click on devices. No device connected. No device connected. No device connected. There's nothing. It's not showing anything. That's the telephone there, and it's not showing anything. So when you select that, there's another menu comes up, and there's an arrow going to the right hand side. If I knock the rotary controller over to the right hand side, you'll see it's now brought up my phone. I select my phone, searching for Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, connecting. Bluetooth has come up here. It's now showing the track that's playing, and if I turn this up and then I turn the volume up on here, it's a funny system, Mercedes-Benz. I don't quite understand why it does that, but sometimes you have to select your phone again for it to play on audio. Sometimes you don't. Sometimes, and from now on, whenever you get in, I think it should work. Okay, I'll just show you how to operate the sat-nav in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. So from any screen, you've got Navi, radio, media here, so you can click Navi like so, or alternatively, if you're driving along and you want to use the control without looking, then onto home, there's a home button there or a home button here. That's like a touchpad, and that's a rotary control. I prefer the rotary control, and you can knock that touchpad off so that you can rest your hand on there while you're operating it and you're not bounced about. I prefer that method. But anyway, if you go to the menu, then over to navigation, click to enter. You can't see anything there. It's not giving you anything. You have to knock the rotary control over to the left. If If you do that, you then get a new menu, and that's got destination. So we select menu by clicking in. Enter destination, we need to go to enter destination. Click on that. Now it's got there free search, but down here you've got city and postcode. That's on the alphabet. So what I have to do is knock that forward and then knock it up to city or postcode, select city or postcode, enter city or postcode. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, P. Or now we need numbers, so I have to knock it back to the bottom, line 5. So at PR5, ours is only a 2-digit postcode. So there's got to be a space there. So if I knock it up to the next line, over to the space, select the space, then knock it back 2 digits, 4, knock it forward again, E, A, that's it, it's brought up PR54EA. Now I need to select that, but we're on the alphabet down there, so I need to knock that forward, knock it forward again. It's on PR54EA. Select that. It's asking me if I want a street. I don't. I just want, it's close enough, so I just wind the rotary control down to select destination, click select destination, and that's it. Start route guidance, I need to select that again.
The route is being calculated.
Now that's a bit too complicated for my liking. There's at least 2 or 3 steps in there that aren't needed. But also what you can do, your voice activation button, where is it? Voice activation button here. If you just click that, navigate to PR5 4EA.
The line number, please.
1.
Number 1. Would you like to start route guidance to the new destination?
Yes.
Starting route guidance.
So that's a lot easier doing it that way. You do have to talk like Prince Charles for it to understand you, but if you've got any sort of accent, don't plan on getting to the place you want to get to. But anyway, it's a good system. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Mercedes E-Class. Having deleted off my phone now first, we then come over to this system. You've got telephone here, where is it? Telephone there, or you've got home there or home there, so you can either use the trackpad or the rotary control. I prefer the rotary control, and you can knock the trackpad off in the settings, but click on the rotary control, the home, and then I turn this till I get to telephone, select telephone. You'll see here, connect to new device, or there's my phone here. So I turn it down to my phone. Once I'm on that, another menu comes up at the side, and it's pointing an arrow to the right. So we knock the rotary control over to the right, that goes onto the new menu, and here we go, deauthorize, click. Do you want to deauthorize the following device, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes or no? If you've made a mistake, you've selected the wrong one, just turn the rotary control, but we've not, we want to get rid, that's it, it's gone. This car has what I consider to be the best system, and it's, if you've got internet access, or if you've got signal, Wi-Fi signal, or 5G, 4G, then it's perfect, it's second to none. Sometimes, if it loses signal, it can be a bit of a pain, but here we go. In here, this is just an ordinary charging lead. Click that open. In here, on the right-hand side, there's a USB plug. If I can just plug that in there like so. USB, it shows a phone and a screen. So that's what it's plugged into. That's what it's plugged into. So here we go, plug that in. Let me just see, I'm going to plug it in over here so you can see from that camera. A new Apple Car device has been connected. How should Apple CarPlay be started automatically, so select that. Some vehicle data may be sent to your iPhone to enhance the CarPlay experience. Mercedes-Benz as your vehicle brand, Mercedes-Benz is your vehicle brand, version number, blah, 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 decline and end. So we need to get down there. I mean, I don't even know down. You just wind it until you actually get decline and end or accept and start. So accept and start. Starting Apple CarPlay, that's it. Best system ever. You can do absolutely anything with this. You don't need to touch your phone. I'll just run through a couple of things. Over here, you'll see the maps. So that's the last used ones, but maps is there. So if I go over to maps there, you've got this lovely wide screen here. But the voice activation again, if I keep my finger on it for over a couple of seconds. Take me to McDonald's.
One possibility I see is McDonald's. Does that one sound good?
Yes, yes it does.
Getting directions to McDonald's.
You would have seen the go sign there. If you wanted to save yourself a couple of nanoseconds, you could have just touched it or selected it with on here, but it does it automatically. So that's it. It's already navigated. I don't have to take my hands off the steering wheel. I don't have to do anything. If I want to send a text, again, I can either say, hey, SIRI, or click the voice activation for a couple of seconds. Send a text to Barry.
What do you want to say to Barry?
I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's brilliant.
It says, I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's brilliant. Send it.
Yes.
Done.
Now, it sent the message, and because I've sent it to myself, you will just see that a message has popped up on the screen here. You're driving along, you want to know what your messages are, you can't touch your phone. Again, a couple of seconds. Read messages.
Barry sent a new message. I'm just testing the Apple CarPlay system in this 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. It's brilliant. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
As I say, it's absolutely brilliant.